What's good, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you my new RC boat. It's not the fastest and it's not the slowest, and I got it for 30 bucks at Target. I'll show you the Lego truck and trailer I made for it, but here is here's the boat. Pretty nice. I'll turn it on and then here's the controller. I haven't got to test it in the open water because all we have to test it with is our hot tub. So I really can't let it rip, but I really want to. But I'm pretty sure that tomorrow, or my grandma has a pool, so we're going there tomorrow, and I'm gonna bring it there, and then I can test it. It's one of those little small pools that's square and blow up, or rectangle and blow up. Yeah. I just wanted to tell you guys one thing I need to tell you. I'm probably not going to be making a video till oh yeah, sorry about that. What I just said, that's not true. I just got today at 11:30. I got back from a sleepover, Leo's World, or that's mine. Leo and Jack. And I got back from his party was yesterday, and it was a sleepover, so I got back from there. Also, they live in this neighborhood, and Leo and Jack have these bikes, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna make a video later tonight or tomorrow and post it of him riding a bike with a pop can on the back, and he's like, I got a motorcycle. I got a motorcycle. And he said everyone's gonna be like, Bo has a bike motorcycle. I just wanted to tell you that to warn you that he's making a new video either tonight or tomorrow. So, yeah. Red light. Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. Oh, also, next video will definitely be four-wheeler riding, but next video will be showing. I could make a video tomorrow of me driving the boat. Actually, I'll do that. Yeah. And then the video after that, I'll be seeing how many Takis I can eat without doing this, or without getting a drink of milk. Yeah, sorry, I zoned out. So I also need to show you guys the truck and trailer. I know it doesn't seem the best, but I tried my hardest. So I'll show them one by one. So this is the truck, 6x6 camper, gooseneck and hitch, the tiny hitches. And then I know the trailer looks kind of weird, but the boat goes on backwards, so the turning blade right here goes in there, and the boat faces this way, and it leans down like this. So whenever you want to launch, you just it's not really realistic, but I'll just say it. It's, you pretend your fingers are like these hydraulic lifts, and then you just lift it up, and then you go like this, and it should just, and then you have to turn it on from this switch right here. And then all you need is batteries for this. So I would recommend this if you wanted to just go slow, like if you want a slow RC boat. But if you want a fast RC boat, you're probably gonna want one of them, not from Target, but probably from a not from Walmart, but probably at Target. There is, I only saw one RC boat in Minnesota Bemidji Target. Yeah. What else do I have to do? I might be making a fort, like a video of a fort on with my nuggets. So yeah, I might be making a video with that. So yeah, peace.